Hi guys and welcome back. I have a fall DIY. I know it is soon, but it's better to get it out sooner rather than later. That way y'all can still find the stuff to DIY it. And for this DIY, it is a mixture of Five Below, Hobby Lobby, and Dollar Tree items. So let's jump into this DIY. Starting off, you will need a wreath, and this one I got at Five Below on clearance once Halloween was ending. And I did go ahead and remove some glitter because it did shed a lot, and what I used is a wire brush, and I got it at Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 3, and so I just passed that all around the wreath and shaked it a little bit to remove some of the excess. Then I will be going in with some spray paint called Sand from Restolum and spray painting that a couple times front and back of the wreath. I also will be going in with some Hobby Lobby floral from the dried section, and some fall leaves from Dollar Tree, and some, I'm not sure what these are called, but I got these at Target a couple years back, and they were originally a wreath orange color, but I painted it white. You will also need some Dollar Tree picks. I used 1 pack, and I will just be cutting those to the size that I need them. I did keep them a little bit long because anyways I can always trim them down. For the fall leaves, I am just cutting them down with a wire cutter, and I used 1 bundle of the fall leaves, and I will just be hot gluing those onto the wreath, sectioning them a little far apart from each other, and just doing that all around the wreath, and it should look something like this. And then I will be going in with the floral from Hobby Lobby. I am not sure what these are called. I will link everything down below, and I'm just gonna secure them with some wire and then twist them at the end with the wire cutters. And I did go in with some white and some brown together and just did it in like a pattern. And then once I was done with the Hobby Lobby floral, I am going in with the wreath from Target that I cut down and just placing those wherever I feel like they will look best. And then I will be going in with my pumpkins. I am playing around before I hot glue it down just to make sure that it is where I want it to be placed. And I did end up just using 1 pack, like I said. Three pumpkins was enough for me. But that pretty much concludes this DIY, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it easy. It was so fun recreating this. Very boho and neutral, muted if you do decorate. Very muted tones for fall. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you do recreate it, tag me on my Instagram at @LiveForCreating. Thank you so much for staying through the whole video, and until next time, guys.